Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to activate your Fiverr account on mobile. Firstly, click on the Fiverr link you were provided or open the Fiverr app on your mobile device. You can sign up using Facebook, Google App, or Gmail. It's recommended to use your email address for this process as Fiverr will send notifications to this email. Provide your real email address, then click Continue. Choose a username and a password for your account, then click Join. Fiverr will send you an email verification code. Open your inbox, enter the code to activate your account, and confirm your email. If you're a buyer, you're done. You can start browsing and purchasing gigs. And if you want to become a seller, just click on the Start Selling button on the Fiverr app to start looking for gigs. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.